Hi all, Jay Schnorr here with VEDX Solutions. I'm really excited to talk to you today about our partner Bodyswaps and their very unique application that helps learners practice soft skills. A lot of organizations and schools, trainers and educators take on an organizational account to help their students and help employees at that organization learn these soft skills. And there's three reasons that I think make body swaps really unique. Number one, the biggest one I feel is that once you do a skill, then you get to swap roles with the person you were with the avatar that you were practicing the skill with and watch yourself. This allows for self-reflection. And at the end of that experience, you also get feedback about what you did well and learn from it. And you can do that over and over again. And I love that about body swaps. Number two is that there's a private dashboard for those trainers and educators that they can organize learners into classes and then track the completion progress of those learners to help them through a curriculum that they're going through. Number three is that it's multi-device accessible, which means you don't have to have your headset on to do it. Of course, that is the best, most immersive experience, but you can do it on your mobile phone. You can practice those skills. You can do it on the PC. So it's very accessible to the learners out there practicing these skills. And there's many other reasons swaps here at VEDX, but wanted to highlight those three. If you want to know more, subscribe to our YouTube channel and please book a meeting with us. Let's talk about bringing it to your school or your organization. And I'll see you next week.